Create a new composition and then import your logo. Pre-comp the image and make sure you have selected this option. Rename the pre-comped composition to logo to make it easy for the next steps. Create a mask like this and follow what I'm doing. Move the mask like this to the first part of the video and then place a keyframe on mask path. Move forward 3 seconds and then move the mask to the other end of the video. Once again pre-comp this layer and then rename it to emitter. Now create a new black solid by using the shortcuts Ctrl plus Y. Now add the effect Trapcode Particular onto the black solid. If you don't have the plugin, you can download it in our Discord server and the link to join the server is in the description. Wait till the plugin loads and then follow what I am doing. Place a keyframe at 3 seconds. Move forward 5 frames and place another keyframe by changing the value to 0. Change the emitter type to lights. Change all these 4 values to 0. Change the emitter size from XYZ link to XYZ individual. Now change the emitter type from lights to layer. Scroll down and expand layer emitter. Select emitter from the drop-down list. Now expand particle and copy my values. Expand opacity over life and click on presets. Here select linear slope and click apply. Now close particle and expand environment. Duplicate the black solid and then once again follow what I'm doing. Change the layer mode to add and then import the logo pre-comp. Add the effect linear wipe onto the logo pre-comp and follow my settings. Change the value of transition completion to 80% and then add a keyframe. Move forward 3 seconds and change the value to 0. Move the logo layer forward by 1 second and then pre-comp all the layers. As of now, the animation to reveal the logo is complete, and we just have to make a few adjustments to make the animation look smoother and more better. Adjust the keyframes for opacity and scale as per your requirements, and then add an adjustment layer. Add the effect deep glow onto the adjustment layer and then copy my values. Now the animation is complete, and if you guys want the project file for this animation, please complete the target likes of 100 likes and I'll give it in the Discord server. For more such tutorials, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and then comment down what tutorial do you want to see next.